Rendezvous on Riverview is back every weekend in June and July. Enjoy a variety of live local bands on the Prairie Meadows Riviera stage at Riverview Events Park. Bring your blankets and chairs to enjoy some amazing local talent. No outside food or coolers are allowed, but there will be plenty of concessions and food trucks on site. Rendezvous on Riverview, presented by Polk County, the City of Des Moines, Dr. Pepper, We Are Iowa, ABC5, and the Des Moines Parks Area Foundation. Learn more at riverviewevents.org. This Friday is the Pork Tornadoes and a 4th of July fireworks extravaganza.